As a photographer, have you ever accidentally formatted your SD card in the heat of the moment? If so, here's some great news. I'm a photographer enthusiast myself, and I've lost files or formatted the wrong SD card more times than I can count. I've tried every trick to recover the lost raw files and footage, and the only method that consistently works is professional data recovery software. Whether it's accidentally formatting, sudden camera crashes that cause file loss, or an SD card not showing up on your computer, today I'm walking you through the step-by-step process to recover the data from an accidentally formatted SD card, one that is personally tested and proven effective. Step 1. Stop all operations immediately. The moment you realize you've formatted the wrong card, stop everything. This is the most critical step. Don't take a few shots to check if the card works. And don't click any file on your card when plugged into your computer. Writing new data will overwrite the original files, making recovery harder. When I last formatted my SD card by mistake, I immediately shut down my camera and removed the card. I didn't even dare turn the camera back on, just to protect the original data from being corrupted. Step 2. Gather your tools. Get a reliable card reader and my go-to lifesaver, PandaOffice Drecov. It supports recovery from accidentally formatted SD cards without needing to modify anything on the card. It performs a deep scan to extract the data, and it's high compatibility with RAW formats. Canon CR2, Nikon NEF, and Sony ARW files are all perfectly recognized. Step 3. The 3-minute recovery process. It only takes about 3 minutes, and even if you don't have the professional computer skills, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Download and install PandaOffice Drecov. Open the software, click Deep Scan, and select your SD card from the drive list. 2. Start the deep scan. Just click on your SD card and the software will automatically begin deep scan. The best part, PandaOffice Drecov doesn't require you to reformat your SD card. When I last scanned my card, it just found photos I deleted months ago. 3. Preview and filter your files. Once the scan finishes, the software will categorize the files. Your core footage from the formatted card will be in the JPEG/MP4 folder with file names clearly labeled. I really appreciate the preview feature. As a photographer, it allows me to open the files directly and check the image quality and avoid recovering corrupted files. You can also filter by file format. Just select RAW and JPEG. Quickly find all your assets. 4. Recover your file. Click Recover and save files to your computer's hard drive or external portable drive. Here's a critical rule. Never save the received files back into the original SD card. Always save them to my studio's backup hard drive for double protection. Last time, I recovered over 800 RAW files and 20 videos. None of them were corrupted. I delivered them to my clients smoothly. I owe it all to PandaOffice Drecov. 4. Hidden features you need to know. Beyond recovering accidentally formatted data, Panda Drecov has 2 hidden features that every photographer needs. 1. Repair corrupted RAW files. Some footage may not open after scanning, but repair function in PandaOffice Drecov can fix them and make them usable again. 2. Batch recovery. It supports batch recovery. Export hundreds of assets with a single click. No need to select one by one. This saves much time. Step 5. Key tips to avoid pitfalls. Here are some important tips to keep in mind. Never reformat the SD card a second time. After accidentally formatting, avoid reformatting the card again. Many people think reformatting can fix the card, but it will only overwrite the data completely. 2. Regular backups. Now I make a habit to back up my footage both on the cloud and in my local hard drive every day after shooting. 3. Invest in high quality SD cards. Always prioritize high speed, durable, professional SD card. Don't buy cheap, off-brand cards. They're more prone to data loss and can even damage your camera. Use a reliable recovery tool. Always use a recovery tool that supports additional format and recovery, like PandaOffice Drecov. Avoid tools that could damage the SD card's original signature, as it could affect future use. Conclusion: every photo tells a story, and every photographer has a responsibility to protect those moments. Accidentally formatting an SD card isn't the end of the world. What's truly scary is using the wrong recovery method and losing your footage permanently. The recovery process I've shared today is personally tested, reliable, and effective. If you ever face the panic of formatting the wrong SD card or losing your files, click the link below and download PandaOffice Drecov. Follow these steps and all your raw footage will be recovered. Remember to like, save, and share this with your photography friends. Let's help everyone avoid the heartbreak of data loss.